Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva like Photoshop. First, begin by selecting a blank canvas and setting your desired dimensions, perhaps 1920 by 1080 pixels for a standard web image. This initial step provides the foundational workspace for your creative project. You can then upload your images or choose from Canva's extensive library of millions of stock photos and elements. This gives you immediate access to a vast array of visual assets. Next, dive into advanced image adjustments to refine your visuals. Access the Edit Photo panel to precisely control elements like brightness, contrast, saturation, and tint. You can also apply various filters to quickly change the mood or style of your image. For more detailed work, use the Adjust tab to manipulate highlights, shadows, and color balance, giving you a professional level of control over your photo's appearance. This allows for significant creative freedom. Mastering layers and effects is crucial for intricate designs. Canva allows you to arrange elements by sending them backward or bringing them forward, effectively creating a layered composition. You can group multiple elements together for easier manipulation, similar to Photoshop's layer groups. Experiment with various effects like shadows, glows, and duotone filters to add depth and visual interest. These tools enable you to build sophisticated designs with multiple overlapping components, enhancing your overall creative output significantly. Finally, it is time to export your masterpiece for sharing or printing. Canva offers several download options, including high-resolution PNG for transparency and quality, or JPG for smaller file sizes. You can also choose PDF for print-ready documents. Ensure you select the highest quality settings available for optimal results. Always double-check your design before downloading to catch any last-minute adjustments. This final step ensures your hard work is presented perfectly to your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.